Môre graad 11, ek gaan nou nog 'n video post oor die aard van die wortels, the nature of the roots, which is the last thing that we have to do from this chapter. And then I also want to just send you the answers of the homework that I gave you yesterday. But first, I just want to make sure, because we did the quadratic inequalities yesterday, but there's one more type that we didn't do, but we apply the same principles. So ek het net vir julle hierdie twee voorbeelde wat ek gou saam met julle gaan uitwerk. So gister het ons heeltyd gewerk met byvoorbeeld x kwadraat minus 9. So dan het ons 3 en minus 3. It's the same value because we used the difference between two squares as the factorization method each time. Maar nou gaan ons kyk na wanneer die parabool effens na links of na regs geskuif word. So dan gaan hierdie twee waardes hiermee gevind kan word deur die aard vir die verskil tussen vierkante te faktoriseer, but we'll have to use normal trinomial factorization. Okay, so if you look at this first one, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm first going to write it so that it looks like a normal quadratic trinomial. So bring it daai 18 oor en dan word dit net negative 18. And then instead of just applying the difference between two squares, I have to use normal hakies. Maar verder is ons stappe presies dieselfde. So my hakies gaan net wees x minus 3, x minus 6 en x plus 3. So the two values that you will draw on your parabola or on your number line, omdat dit maak nie saak wat se van die twee jy gebruik nie, gaan dan wees minus 3 en 6. Nee. Okay, so if you have those values, you apply exactly the same steps. So this will be plus, minus, plus. We are looking for bigger than 0. Should highlight it here. Bigger than 0, so we're looking for positive values. In other words, the positive values are all values of x smaller than negative 3 or all values of x bigger than 6. Now I hope you immediately saw that I'm leaving something out. I need to put that equals to sign there. Why? Because it was asked in the question. If it wasn't there, you don't have to write it in your answer. Okay, graad 11, so jy pas presies dieselfde stappe toe, behalwe dis net 'n ander soort faktorisering wat jy moet doen, maar jy hoef glad nie te stres daaroor nie. Julle is al heel alright daarmee om 3 terme te faktoriseer. Okay, then I just want to do another one, because this can be a slight curveball, but not if we talk about it. Okay, goed. Hierdie is ook 'n parabool, maar hierdie minus vooraan maak hom baie keer 'n bietjie moeiliker. So what I prefer to do is to just throughout multiply by negative 1. So al wat dan gebeur is elke teken verander. And very important, the direction of the inequality swaps around. I don't know if you guys remember this. You have done it before, way back when. Maar gee net mooi aandag daaraan, as jy vermenigvuldig met minus 1, om hom vir jou makliker te maak om mee te werk, dan verander die rigting van die teken. And then this one is fairly easy to factorize again. X plus 4, x plus 3. Remember now it is bigger than 0. So your parabola will have the two values of negative 3, sorry, the other way around, negative 4 and negative 3. As ons hierdie gaan oplos, or you can draw it on your number line, it doesn't matter. And then say plus, minus, plus. And we are looking for bigger than 0, not smaller than anymore because we multiplied by negative 1. So bigger than 0 will be all x values smaller than negative 4 or alle x waardes groter as negative 3. Okay. Now I want you guys to just pause the video because I wrote 3 out for you to try on your own. And I'm just going to send you the answers of those and you can just check if you got to the same answers. En dan gaan ek vir julle ook so deur die loop van die naweek 'n paar sulke kort video's met 'n paar om op jou eie te probeer net stuur.